This is a video on the operation of the Skeet machines for American Skeet. Before we can operate the Skeet machines in the high and low house, we must turn on the power in the clubhouse. The switch is located by the back door and is marked Skeet. We now proceed to the high house. Upon entering the high house, first step will be to open the window using the chain and hook. Pull down on the chain and latch it to that hook. The second step will be power on the machine using the switch on the rear wall. Flip the switch to the on position. You should hear the machine pick up a clay and arm itself. We now proceed to the low house. We open the window in the low house by securing it with a rope to the cleat on the back wall. We power on the machine from the control box located on the rear wall by flipping the switch to the arm position. We can hear the machine load a bird and cock its arm. You are now ready to shoot American Skeet. To shut down the houses, after shooting American Skeet, you'll do everything in the exact reverse order. Proceed to the low house. Disarm the machine by flipping the switch to the off position. Release the bird that's cocked in the arm by momentarily pressing to the disarm position. Load the carousel with birds that are located next to the carousel. And lastly, lower the window by releasing the rope from the cleat. Proceed to the high house. Upon entering the high house, go to the control switch on the back wall, turn it to off, and then momentarily to release the bird that's cocked in the arm. Then proceed up the ladder to the second level where you will load the machine and the carousel with clays. After loading the machine with clays, return to the first level, release the chain from the hook to close the window. The high house is now closed. Return to the clubhouse and don't forget to turn off the master switch on the back wall. You've now completed shutting down the machines for Skeet.